Alright guys, we're changing two things today on the G8. We're gonna change out the cabin air filter and the passenger inner handle. As you can see, this one has peeled off. That thing's been bugging me, so I got a replacement on eBay. So let's take the door panel apart and get to it. Okay, once you get to this step to take off the panel, there's gonna be two clips on here. You're gonna have to boom, lift out, you pop, lift out like that. Then I think there's some screws involved somewhere. I'll find it right now. Okay, there's two screws back here. Well, not screws, but they're like they're star bolts. There's two right here, and then I think you could pop it out. Okay, so once you unscrew them, you could just pull it out. Looks like that's the only thing that's holding it. There you go. Now you just put in the new one, and you're good to go. This is my first time doing it, and it's hella easy. Anybody could do it. Okay, let's install the new one. Okay, once you put it in, and you put your two bolts, star bolts in, you just start screws, whatever. Then that's it. You got it in there, and I could just put everything back together, and you're done. Easy peasy. Okay, I just noticed something on the new one. It kind of looks a little faded and a little scuffed. And the one I had on it, the original one, the plastic's much better and darker. And I just found out you could change the handles from the plastic. There's 3 clips. There's that one, this little circle one right here, a clip on this side, and a clip on this side, and then you can lift it out. Boom, there you go. You can take it apart. So if you're just looking to replace the handle or the plastic or both, you could do so. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put this plastic on this handle because it's in better shape. This one's just the handle is what I really wanted. So just do that. Man, I hate that guy. Well, it's getting on my car. Fucking bum. Alright, there you go. The original plastic with the handle from eBay. Now here we got the jacked up parts. Simple. Now let's put it back together. So there you go, guys. Just throw your bolts back on your screws, and you're pretty much done. See, that's all good. That's pretty much it. Make another video on changing the cabin air filter. Like I was saying, I'm gonna make another video right now on changing your cabin air filter. First time doing it as well. I'm with K&N, so sorry about the pause. It's all windy out here. And my garbage cans fell and all the trash was going all up on the street. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. But easy installation, not bad, anybody could do it. There you go.